overall, this is a team effort. From the first set, kita natin na it is a very good coverage. Yung floor defense, napakaganda ng transition, not only for Rizal, but for Binyan as well. But on the mid part of the first set, eto nga, yung Rizal umaabante at gumaganda yung conversion nila highly because of the good passing na pinakita dito ni Venice Puson, activating like Tulang, Di Guzman. You have Dolorito at samahan mo pa nga ni Osada doing damage as well on the middle.
Kaya pagdating ng set 2, mas magandang start ang binigay dito ng Team Rizal. They even dominated this one and just gave, you know, yung mga errors lang na yun actually yung nagbigay ng puntos dito sa Team Binyan, and yung Binyan dito parang nahirapan na sila on how they could build or create a momentum.
Exactly, and that is something so glaring, giving away 15 errors to your kalaban. But on the set 3, nakita natin dito, it is a good start here on the side of Binyan. Unfortunately, yung floor defense nga dito ng Rizal really so impeccable. But on the other side, we've seen Lanaria and Cecilio delivering goods here for Binyan. But the middle blockers nga medyo hindi activated. Knowing exactly ng kalaban kung sino at kung paano didepensahan yung atake dito ng Binyan. But for Rizal, it is an overall good performance, good redemption after that loss kontra Negros nung Miyerkules.
Lahat gumana para sa Team Rizal. Kaya naman, ang ating final score, 25-16, 25-16, 25-20.